So welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to make this simple text animation in After Effects with no plugin. So open your After Effects and type any word that you want to after place Ctrl D to duplicate that word and change the duplicate text to any color you want by using the text color. So after that, make that text stroke. After, go and make the stroke to 1 or 2, any number fit for you. After, bring in the typewriter and place it to the stroke text. So you can see the text revealing itself by the power of a typewriter. After that, place you and bring in the keyframes of a typewrite, then select them all in easy ease. Adjust your graph like this. And you have to make sure it's a speed graph, so I have to adjust the typewriter keyframes and adjust them according to the speed you want the text to reveal itself. Apply again the typewriter to the non-stroke text. So it's up to you to decide you need a stroke text or non-stroke text to be fast to be seen by adjusting them on the timeline. After place you to bring the keyframes, select all the keyframes and easy ease. After, make the white text stroke to 1 or 2, any numbers that you feel like. So this stroke text, you can use any color you want by applying fill on it. So here the text somehow looks nice, but when we apply glow by kill the text, so we are going to make the stroke text color different. So another thing, we want the stroke text to be down. So select the stroke text and drag it down to the position you need. After, while selecting the stroke text, bring the rectangle shaped mask and place it in this position. So here you can choose the stroke text fast or the full text by adjustments on the timeline. So you can leave the downer text to white or any color by adjusting on the fill color. After, go and apply glow to the stroke text. Make the glow threshold 61.6. Glow radius 24 and intensity 2. So if you want, you can adjust more on the glow the way you want. Place T to bring the opacity of the non-stroke text and reduce its opacity to 91. So it's time to create our background. So select all the layers and pre-compose them, name them anything you want. After that, create a new solidy layer of black in color. After that, hide the text layer. After, apply gradient ramp to the solidy layer. Make the ramp shape radial ramp. After that, adjust the gradient ramp like this. So make the middle color black. The end color, leave it as it is. Place the scatter until you remain with the amount of blue color you want as the end color.